So, kasya dito at least 1 car or 2 cars if you have motorcycle or malit lang naman yung unit mo depending on what vehicles you have. So now, let's go check inside. Good day everyone, this is Belle and welcome to the first ever unboxproperties.ph open house tour. And on this channel, we unbox house and lot here in Pampanga. Also, we share some topics about real estate. And if you want to sell your property, you can always contact us right here with the partnership of C.A.B Realty and Kompas Architectural Design Studio. So today, we're here at Pueblo de Oro, located here in the Carmen city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This residential subdivision has 3 private and gated community like La Aldea Fernandina, The Horizon, and Park Place. But today, I'm going to show you their single detached unit behind me here at Park Place. But first, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified for whenever we release a new YouTube video. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at unboxproperties.ph for more listings. This is Ms.Jobelle Ramos and let's go on with the tour. So this is your single detached unit with classic and premium. So later on, you will see kung ano ba yung difference ng dalawa. But this unit has a total minimum lot area of 90 square meter on a 73 square meter floor area for the premium. And for the classic, you have 58 square meter floor area. So as you can see, this is a 2-story with a modern contemporary Asian inspired. So when you say single detached, ito yung naiikutan mo yung property mo, nasa gitna yung house mismo. You have the space both side. Meron kang space sa likod at saka sa harap. And usually, kapag single detached, nasa corner lot ka or end lot. So first, you have this space right over here. So this could be your small garden. And upon your move in, pwede mo tong pa-landscape. So if you are certified plantito and plantito dyan, you can put all your plants over here. And don't you worry dahil may space ka pa banda dito. So this could be the extension of your garden. Or if you want, you can put some tables and chairs so that whenever you have any occasions, so diba, pwede magstay yung mga visitors mo dito. Or upon your turnover, pwede mo din itong pag-gate or pabakuran for your privacy, right? So now, let's go here. So dito, meron ka pang space. So, dito siguro mga 2 to 3 meters ang setback nito. So, this could be your dirty kitchen or your laundry area. So, it's totally up to you kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa space na to. Right? And then, over here, diba, as you can see, it's very spacious. You can do whatever you want dito sa space na to. And right here, this could be your carport. So, kasya dito at least 1 car or 2 cars if you have motorcycle or malit lang naman yung unit mo depending on what vehicles you have. So now, let's go check inside. So upon entering, you will be welcomed by your living area. But take note that all furnitures here are not included. Because this is a dress-up model, inayusan nila to so that you can appreciate it and also you can get some ideas when you get this house. But still, pwede nyong gayahin yung idea nila. Like ito, they put some wall dividers para mag-separate yung dining area ninyo. And also this one, naglagay sila ng mirror sa wall para magmukhang maluwag yung living area ninyo, right? So that's a good idea. So on this side, you have this dining area. So kasya dito at least 6-seater dining table. And this is perfect sa mga nag-start pa lang ng pamilya, or if you just have a small family, like if you have 2 kids, right? So next is your kitchen area. You have this granite tiles countertop. You have this 1 faucet, 1 sink, and also this is not included, so design lang yan. And this one also, but still you can put your oven and also you have this option. Pwede mong ilagay itong countertop na to at the back of your house. So the one that I've shown you a while ago, di ba? May space pa kayo dito on this area. So you can see mga 3 meters pa yung sukat nito. That could be your kitchen area or your laundry area. Well, it's totally up to you. But some clients, most of them, ganun yung ginagawa nila. Pinapalipat nila itong countertop sa labas so that ma-maximize yung space mo sa loob. Like you can put some storage. So upon turnover, pwede mong patakpan to. Lagay mo yung mga gamit mo dito. Especially, storage is very important sa bahay. So on this side, you have this 1 toilet and bath. And as you can see, this one is also fully finished. Nakapintura na yan. You have that small window. And you have that 1 toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. And also, you have another one for the second floor. And before we head up to the second floor, I want to tell you why you should buy a house here in Pueblo de Oro. First, they are very accessible from what all you need. Like for the shopping center, may malapit dito like yung SM Pampanga, Robinson's Mall, SNR, siguro mga 4 kilometers or mga 10 to 15 minutes yung biyahe mo papunta dito. And also, may malapit din na mga hospital like JBL, Green City Medical Center. And what else? Ano pa ba yung malapit dito? Mother Teresa of Calcutta Medical Center, right? And sa schools and universities naman, you have Saints Co, STI, and University of Assumption. And for churches, meron din St. Augustine Church and Our Lady of Sorrow Parish. So now, let's head up to the second floor. So this is your staircase. The materials that they use is this metal hand grills, as you can see. And the wooden steps, it is a wooden finish. And good thing about here is you have this window. That's a good idea because it gives more light sa bahay. And as you can see, this is your hallway. And this one is a premium unit, meaning naka-partition na siya and concrete yung pagkagawa dito. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button para makakita ninyo yung mga future videos namin. And on this floor, you have 2 bedrooms and 1 common toilet and bath. So now, let's go first to your bedroom number 1. So this could be the room of your kids. Okay? So this could be the room of your kids or if single ka, pwede to as your study room, working place. But if you want to maximize this space, if may mga kids ka, pwede kang maglagay ng double deck dito. Or pwede kang pa-customize ng bed frame. And upon turnover, white finish lahat to. But still, you can get this idea. They put some sticker or pwede mo din siyang papinturahan. And good thing about here is you have these 2 large window. And also, you can put some study table, especially now sa mga nag-online class na lang, di ba? And you can put some mirror also. But be more creative to your own house. Like you can put some bookshelves, anything, or pwede ka pang magdagdag ng mga ilaw, di ba? So, depende pa rin sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong ayos sa kwarto. And now, let's go to your bedroom number 2. So, this is your bedroom number 2 and this could be your master bedroom. Siguro ang sukat nito is about 3.3 by 3 meters. So, ganito kalawak yung master bedroom ninyo. And kasya dito yung queen size bed. You have these 2 large windows. And also, you can have a built-in cabinets here. especially if marami kayong mga gamit. So I suggest pwede mong isagad yung built-in cabinets mo hanggang dito. Especially if yung misis mo is maraming mga damit, maraming mga bags, di ba? You can put it right here. And also, you can put some vanity mirror, you can put some small table there. Well, it's totally up to you. And upon turnover, pwede mo pang pagandahin itong kwarto mo. Like you can put some cove lightings, pin lights, and yung mga nauuso ngayon na RGB strip lights, right? Pwede mong gamitin yun. And now, lastly, you have this toilet and bath. So, same size lang siya dun sa ground floor. Fully finished na din. And as you can see, wala pa siyang door. For now, wala pa siyang door para mas makita ninyo yung space ng toilet and bath. Pero ganyan na din yung turnover niya. Okay, now let's go to your balcony. So you now have this very spacious balcony. As you can see, sobrang lawak ng balcony mo. When you get this, you have this view right here. Sorry, medyo mainit. But take note, this balcony is optional, okay? So, pwede mong palagyan to. But some clients here or some homeowners, they made the space as another room. Yung iba naman is dinagdagan nila ng toilet and bath yung master bedroom nila. And nagmumukhang 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath yung single detached unit. But still, if you get this balcony, pwede mo din gamitin ito. So, sobrang lawak niya. If you have any parties or occasions, your friends, your family, right? They can stay here. So, kahit magkape-kape lang kayo dito or some kwentuhan with your family and loved ones or your friends, right? So, we're done here. And some recap lang tayo about this unit. So, let's go. By the way, before the recap, let me show you also the classic type of the single detached unit para magka-idea kayo kung ano yung itsura niya upon turnover. So, check this out. So that's it for the classic type. So as you can see, bare finish lang siya. Unlike sa premium, ito yung totally finished na siya. Na naka-tiles na, naka-partition, and you have the ceiling already. But sa classic, ito yung bare finish pa siya. But good thing about that is mas mababa mo siyang makukuha. And you can do whatever you want. Like you can choose what kind of materials, what kind of tiles, yung anong design ng ceiling ninyo, ng wall partitions ninyo, it's totally up to you. And also, I recommend Kompas Architectural Design Studio. They offer design and build services, especially if you want to extend your house or if you want to redesign it. They can really help you. Lalagay namin yung page nila sa baba so that you can check them out. And for some recap, let's have some recap for this single detached unit. You have premium and classic. For the premium, you have 90 square meter lot area on a 73 square meter floor area for the premium, and for the classic you have 58 square meter floor area for 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. And this one is 100% flood free, and this is very accessible. Like sa mga shopping centers, like what I've told you a while ago, malapit lang siya sa SM Mall, sa Robinson, sa SNR, siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes yung biyahe from here. And sa mga hospitals, you have Green City Medical Center, Mount Carmel Hospital, ano pa ba, JBL, yan, malapit din yan. And Mother Teresa of Calcutta Medical Center. And for the churches, meron ding malapit, like yung St. Augustine Church and Our Lady of Sorrow Parish. And for the schools, you have Saints Co, STI, and University of Assumption. So it's very accessible. Like from what all you need, malapit lang yan. So that's it. And if you know anyone who are looking for this kind of house, please share this video. You can share this video or send us a message on our Facebook and Instagram account at unboxproperties.ph, helping you bring out your dream investment into reality. And once again, thank you for watching up until the end of this video. This is Bella Ramos and see you on our next open house tour. Bye for now!